The reverse direction command allows you to quickly switch the flow direction of a pipe or other network elements, such as river reaches, roadway segments, and roadway crossings. When a pipe is reversed, its inlet and outlet nodes are swapped automatically. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate the process using pipes. On the map view, select the pipe you want to reverse. Right-click on the pipe to open the context menu. From the menu, choose Reverse Pipe, Swap Direction. The software will instantly reverse the direction, swapping the inlet and outlet nodes. Alternatively, you can go to the Input ribbon menu, select the Stormwater Pipes dropdown, then select Reverse Pipes. It opens the Reverse Pipes dialog box. You can check the boxes next to the pipes you want to reverse, or use the Pick button to manually select them on the map view. The total number of selected pipes will be shown here. Click on Reverse button, and the direction for the selected pipes will be reversed.